Oh yeah. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel, also known as Chantel's Pretty Little DIYs, and today I'm going to be making some smoked herring salad. Now it's a very popular dish in my culture and we eat it all year round, and today I'm going to be making that to share a part of my culture with you. Now in my culture we call it Chiktay. So what we do, we start with boiling the herring to remove some of the salt because it is very salty, and I'm boiling it twice. So I drained the first boil and I'm going to boil it again a second time. And now I'm using a mortar to chop it up. You can use a fork, you can use a mortar, you can use your hands. Since I'm using one hand to record, so I figured why not use the mortar, and you can use any oil of your choice. Now we're going to fry it until it looks a little crispy, and then we're going to add our vegetables once we've fried it. For the plating ideas, this is very versatile. You can have it with what we call ground provision, which is your bananas, your yams, your yuccas, or you can have it with bread, you can have it over rice, you can have it with salad like lettuce and tomatoes. Growing up, I would have this with a variety of things: avocados, breadfruit, bread, you name it. There's a variety of ways you can have this. So be creative, and if you try it, please don't forget to let me know. Or you can come up with your own creative ideas on how you would like to eat it, but I guarantee you, this is something to try. Your taste buds are going to thank you because it's very zesty and spicy with a lot of vegetables. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I thank you for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for allowing me to share a part of my culture with you. Until next time, take care.